Hey folks, John Thompson, Spring Framework Guru here. So in this section of the course, we're going to have a lot of fun. What we're going to do is we're going to take that task application that Dan walked you through, and I'm going to recreate that very same application, but this time instead of using an SQL database like MySQL or and the in-memory database H2, what we're going to do is set up MongoDB and run against a non-SQL database. So MongoDB is quite different than a traditional SQL database, but I want to show you how we can easily use JHipster to set up a MongoDB application. Now we're not going to get too deep into Mongo, but in this section you're going to get a great overview of what MongoDB is, how it differs from a traditional SQL database. We'll take a look at getting it set up and using it. I'll even demo a little how to run MongoDB in a Docker container, and then we're going to go through and create a JHipster application just like the task application that Dan did, but this time it's going to run against MongoDB. So we're going to have a lot of fun in this section. We're not going to go too deep, but it's going to be a fun way to get some hands-on experience using MongoDB.